The 2025 Suzuki Maran has returned to the spotlight, rekindling nostalgia for millions of drivers across Pakistan. Often dubbed the people's car, the Maran has long held a special place in the hearts of Pakistani consumers for its affordability, simplicity, and reliability. After being discontinued in 2019, Suzuki has brought back a revamped version of the Maran in 2025, sparking curiosity and excitement among fans and critics alike. At first glance, the 2025 Suzuki Maran maintains its iconic compact silhouette, but with significant modern touches that give it a fresh appeal. The exterior features minor design upgrades, sleeker headlights, a slightly more refined grille, and better quality paintwork, while still preserving the boxy charm that made the original a cultural icon. It's clear that Suzuki has aimed to modernize without straying too far from the original identity of the car, striking a balance between familiarity and innovation. Under the hood, the Maran gets a major upgrade. The new model comes equipped with a more fuel-efficient 800 cubic centimeter Euro 5 compliant engine, a much-needed improvement over the older carburetor-based system. This engine not only offers better mileage but also aligns with stricter emissions standards, making the new Maran more environmentally friendly. Drivers can expect around 20 say 22 km L fuel efficiency, making it one of the most economical options in its class. Inside, the cabin has seen notable improvements. While still basic, it now includes modern amenities such as power windows, a digital speedometer, and a touchscreen infotainment system in higher variants. The seats have been slightly recontoured for better comfort, and Suzuki has made efforts to improve insulation for reduced road noise. However, true to its heritage, the interior remains minimalistic, catering to those who prefer function over form. Safety is another area where Suzuki has made strides. The 2025 Maran now comes with basic safety features such as dual airbags, ABS brakes, and seatbelt reminders. Although it doesn't compare to premium models in terms of safety tech, it marks a significant improvement for the entry-level category and is a welcome addition for first-time car buyers and budget-conscious families. Perhaps the most appealing aspect of the new Maran is its pricing. Suzuki has managed to keep the cost relatively low, starting at around 1 Pakistani Rupaya or 6 paise, depending on the variant. This makes it one of the most affordable brand new cars in the Pakistani market, which is increasingly dominated by expensive imports and high-end models. The Maran remains an accessible choice for the average household, small business owners, and those needing a reliable second car. Public response has been mixed but largely positive. Die-hard fans are thrilled to see the icon return, appreciating the blend of old-school charm with new-age practicality. Critics, on the other hand, point out that despite improvements, the Maran still lags behind global standards in terms of features and build quality. But Suzuki has never marketed the Maran as a luxury car, it's a utility vehicle, designed for basic transportation with low maintenance and running costs. In conclusion, the 2025 Suzuki Maran represents more than just a car, it's a legacy reborn. With sensible upgrades, an unbeatable price point, and a design that pays homage to its roots, the new Maran is set to win over a new generation of drivers while pleasing those who have trusted it for decades. Whether you view it as a smart commuter or a nostalgic throwback, the Maran S return is undoubtedly one of the most talked about events in Pakistan's automotive scene this year.